To create song previews on Suno AI is fairly simple. Now on Suno, these are typically known as hooks, and if you go to explore, you should be able to find those hooks in the form of these short video previews. So you can go ahead and select one of those, and you can listen to like a 10-15 second song preview of that specific video song with a clip playing in the background. Now, to create your own song hook or song preview, all you need to do is simply navigate to library. Under library, you're then going to go ahead and select the option hooks. And then from here, you're going to choose create hook. Next, all you need to do is now select the song that you'd like to use for your hook. So say, for example, we decided to use this one. And then you now need to upload a video. So you can drag and drop, or you can select the video. So go ahead and do so. So from here, go ahead and upload the video. So it does need to be at least 10 seconds minimum and 4 minutes maximum. And then once you've successfully uploaded your video, you should be able to see it in the preview above. Now from here, you can now choose what specific part of the song you want to include in your song hook. So choose something that's the most impactful part of your song. And then you can go ahead and listen to it, see how it sounds. If you don't like it, you can always just continue adjusting even further. Now, as you're adjusting, you should be able to see sync audio with video. So if you want to go ahead and use that, if it is available for that specific song that you're trying to create, you can go ahead and do so. You can also choose to replace the song, you can choose to replace the video. You have all sorts of editing items that you can be able to use whenever it comes to customizing your song hook. If you're happy with how it sounds like, you can just tap on next. And then from here, you have your song there, you have your preview, this is how it looks like. You can choose to pick up cover frame, or you can edit the video. You can choose to add a caption, allow comments, show lyrics, all sorts of things. And then from there, you're just going to select post. Now, before you do post, they will prompt you to share your song so that people can be able to hear the full option. You can choose to skip and do that later, maybe if you have it set for a specific release date. And once you do that, you can now wait for the song to come out fully, publish the hook, and let people enjoy on Suno AI. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.